In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a check using Intuit QuickBooks. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out with financial software, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and efficient. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks by typing in qbo.intuit.com. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and do that with your credentials. Once you're in the QuickBooks dashboard, look for the plus sign, often found at the top of the page. This is your Create button, and clicking on it will provide you with a menu of options ranging from invoices to expenses and more. From the menu that pops up, find and click on Check. This allows you to issue a check directly from your QuickBooks account, streamlining your financial transactions. Clicking this brings you to the check creation page where you'll see various fields to fill out. The first field we'll focus on is Payee. This is where you'll decide who you're issuing the check to. To do this, simply click on Payee and a drop-down of saved contacts will appear. If the payee is a new individual or entity, you'll need to add them to your QuickBooks contacts. Once the payee is selected, move on to the category field. Categories help you organize your expenses and cash flow within your financial statements. You might see categories like utilities, rent, or office supplies depending on your business needs. Choose the appropriate category for this particular transaction to ensure accuracy in your financial records. The next part you'll want to tackle is entering the check amount. Click on the designated field and type the specific amount you wish to pay. Make sure to double check this figure, as accuracy is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial ledger. After inputting the amount, you'll have the option to choose a customer if the check is intended for a particular client or project. This can be especially helpful for tracking expenses linked to specific clients, allowing you to have a clear overview of your cash flow related to different projects. Finally, take a moment to review all the details you've entered, ensuring each field is filled out correctly and accurately reflects the transaction. When everything looks good, click on Save and Close to finalize and log the transaction in QuickBooks. And there you have it. You've just created a check in QuickBooks, efficiently organizing your payment details and keeping your business finances streamlined. Remember, practicing these steps will make it become second nature, helping you manage your business finances like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.